Kocha McCarthy okwayo Jokenya mondo mi omiye thuolo mar loso tim mar Harambee Stars bang' tawo tim ne tuke ariyo kowuok amodhi gi Gambia ai tuke mokwongo kendo wito tuke mar ariyo odiochieng' manyoro e kindgi gi tim mar Gabon. Lek mar Kenya donje tuke mag pinje duto higa manyien. Chalo ka gima koro segore Luanda kadwaro nitiere mar Beni manyo jotugo matindo mabiro konyo Stars kuom higni mabiro.
Them as a team, they had more togetherness than what we had. I've only been here a very short while, and there's so much you can try and change, but you're never going to get how you really want to be or where you want to be in only 1 week with the team. You know, so it was difficult, and we are grateful for the support, the people of Kenya that came out to support. Wow. This was the most memorable experience I've experienced, even in my time playing as a player, playing in Europe. This was what Africa should be about.